Hello and welcome to Chris Mel FPV. I'm on an adventure once again, but not just one or two towns over this time. We are going 3 hours away north of Fowlerville. We are going to a good friend of mine's house. He lives in Idlewild, Michigan, which is a pretty crazy little place, but it is just east of Ludington, and we are going to experience the awesomeness that is Michigan. Please stay tuned and welcome to the show. We are actually just now west of Idlewild, and I found a cool spot to do my first flight. And on my way out here, I found a couple more. So on the way back, we'll be hitting a couple more spots. This here is called Indian Bridge. Let's check it out. Man, that'll really get the adrenaline pumping there, I'll tell you. Trying to do tricks off the water. I couldn't get out there if I wanted to, you know. That's like marshy. I'd get real wet. This white action that I got going on, all gone. All right, well, that was Indian Bridge, the first spot. Horseflies. Okay, so this was the first spot. Flew a couple packs. Pretty sweet, pretty nerve-wracking too. You know, first pack of the weekend, and I'm flying over water. So yeah, good luck with that, eh? Hey, it turned out all right this time. Let's go to the next spot. Yeah. All right, here we are at the second spot, and it is glorious. Just let me get a footing here so I don't fall into the water. Let's take a look. Holy moly macaroni, I'm telling you, man, I'm sweating needles here. Thought I was gonna crash a couple times. There was that bush, you see them sticks, they were all ghostly, and I couldn't say, we're okay, it's okay, it's all right, we got it back. All right, we're having a good time, having a good time.